Today we're going to be doing an experiment about density. So density is basically float or will it sink? So I made this little picture so you can see at the end. So yeah.
Okay, what are we doing first?
Okay, so first we are going to take this and we're going to put 2 drops of food coloring in the water. Hold on, let me open it. Okay. 1, 2. Then we are going to mix it up.
Use the handle.
And then we are going to pour the water into the thingy.
That looks like water. Looks like water drink.
And then what we're going to do is put some syrup in. We're going to see if it sinks or floats.
Pour a whole bunch.
Ooh!
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
That looks cool. That looks cool, Mom.
Keep going.
Here, hold on. Ah!
Oh.
That's good.
Syrup.
And we're going to put that much syrup in. Then we are going to put the vegetable oil
Give it
in.
a second to separate.
Yeah. Let's give it a second to separate. It's separating!
You can see.
The syrup is sinking, and then the water is coming right into the middle.
So which one's heavier? Which one's more dense?
The syrup.
Syrup. Okay, now what?
Now we are going to pour the oil in to see what happens. Whoa, look at all that. That looks like the ocean.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah.
Look, I wish it looked like bubble oil.
So you can see that the syrup's right there, then the blue water's in the middle, and then we put the oil right here, and so first off, this is floating, so it's floating, and then in the middle, it's like right in between the olive oil and the syrup, and then the syrup is the syrup sinks, so. Yeah.
What do you think will happen if you put some more water in it?
I think the water is either going to go on top or it's going to go back to the middle.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Try not to spill it.
Holy crap, that looks so cool.
Okay, let's get a little bit more and raise it up.
Wow! Oh my gosh, they look so cool. Don't you like it, Gage?
Looks like ocean seed.
Yeah, it kind of looks like the
A little bit
ocean.
more.
It's mixing in. So you can see right there, it's mixing in.
Whoa!
Look at that. That looks like the ocean.
There, now we can really see
Look
how it's
at that.
separated.
That
So now
looks
we
so
have
cool.
what on the bottom?
So we have the syrup on the bottom.
And that syrup is what? The
That-
most?
That is sinking.
And it's the most dense?
Yeah. And then the water's in between the oil and the syrup, which there's a lot there. And then we have the oil that's kind of mixing into the water.
And the oil is the
The
least dense.
yeah.
Okay, so now should we test it and put in
Red.
some of your toys?
Yeah.
So let's try one and make a
Try-
prediction.
I'm gonna put.
Veda first.
This
What do you
thing.
What do you think is gonna happen?
I think it's gonna float, or it's gonna go in between the water and the oil.
Okay, drop it in.
Whoa!
It
It's
floats.
floating. So that means it's
It's
least
less dense.
less dense. Gage, what are you putting in? A figure? Do you think he's gonna sink or float or hang out in the middle?
Sink.
Oh, let's see.
It's in the water and the syrup. So it's in between.
So he's pretty dense.
Yeah.
He's dense like syrup. Okay, pick the next one.
I'll
gonna
put this one in.
I'm gonna pick.
Okay, what is that? A
I'm gonna
Shopkin?
This is like a little shoe Shopkin.
What do you think it's gonna do?
I think it's either gonna go in the water or in the middle where the puppy went.
Okay, drop it in.
It goes basic. I was right. It goes with the puppy and it goes with the syrup.
So it's dense too. Okay, Gage, what's yours?
I think it's gonna go.
What is that?
A coin.
A penny. Okay, what do you think it's gonna do?
Go down to the bottom.
Okay.
Well, it's down to the bottom. It's all the way down to the bottom right
You
here.
can't see it, but I'll believe you.
It's like literally
I wanna
right
pick.
there.
I wanna pick this one.
Now I'm gonna put this little what's it called?
It's like a glass bead.
Yeah, a glass blue bead.
What do you think it's gonna do?
Let me think. It's either gonna go down with the penny, or it's gonna go in between the middle, or it's gonna go in between that.
Okay, drop it in.
It's Mom's favorite color too.
What did it do? We should have definitely used a different color
Wait, let
for
me
the
see.
water.
It's done.
Is it sinking?
I think it's like right down there.
Okay, next one.
Not sure. I can't.
Gage, what do you got?
I got a eraser, and I think it's gonna
A dinosaur eraser.
float.
Ah! What? It goes down.
What?
It goes down right there.
I thought that one would have actually went into the middle.
Yeah,
Look
me
at that.
too.
Okay, next one.
I'm gonna put this Lego in.
I'm gonna put this.
What do you think the Lego's gonna do?
It's either gonna go to the middle of right there, or it's gonna go in the water,
Okay.
or float on top.
Oh, he's a floater.
Yeah.
What do you think, Gage? What's the next one? What's
I
that
think
made out
it's
of?
gonna go all the way down the
The
bottom.
wood?
And it's made out of wood.
Okay.
I think it's gonna go in the water.
It's floating,
Oh
so
my
we
gosh.
didn't find anything that was dense
Yeah.
in
right-
between.
Yeah.
Everything sunk or floated.
That's pretty cool.
So, how did you guys like this experiment?
Really fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
Did you like it too?
And
2 thumbs up. Next time, the only thing I would change is we would probably use pink for the water so we could
Yeah.
see it a little bit better.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll
I
have to
think
try
I wanna do one
another
more.
experiment.
I think I want to
Yeah.
do one more.
We will. Say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
See you later.